10th Standard Social Science Detail 8 mark. Discuss the main causes of the First World War. Title: European alliances, violent forms of nationalism, aggressive attitude of German Emperor, Balkan War, immediate cause. European alliances. In 1900, five of the European great powers were divided into two armed camps. One camp consisted of the Central Powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. Under the guidance of Bismarck, they had formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. The other camp consisted of France and Russia. Their alliance was formed in 1894 with the promise of mutual help if Germany attacked either of them. Thus was formed the Triple Entente 1907 of Britain, France, and Russia. Violent forms of nationalism. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country. The three militant forms of nationalism in Europe are England, Jingoism, France, Chauvinism, Germany, Kultur. They contributing decisively to the outbreak of war. Aggressive attitude of German Emperor. Emperor Kaiser William II of Germany proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. The German Navy was expanded. Germany's aggressive diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German Navy could be directed only against her. Therefore, Britain embarked on a naval race, which heightened the tension between the two powers. The Balkan War. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest of Europe in the first half of 18th century. The Ottoman Empire extended over the Balkans and across Hungary to Poland. The empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Taking advantage of the political and economic instability of the Turkish Empire from the second half of the 18th century, Greeks followed by others began to secede one after another from Turkish control. In March 1912, they formed the Balkan League. The league attacked and defeated Turkish forces in the First Balkan War, 1912-13. The new state of Albania was created. Turkey was reduced to the area around Constantinople. The Second Balkan War ended with the signing of Treaty of Bucharest in August 1913. Immediate cause. On 28 June 1914, the Archduke Francis Ferdinand, heir to Francis Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by Princip, a Bosnian Serb. Austria saw in this an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent state. Germany thought that it should strike first. It declared war on Russia on 1st August. The German violation of Belgian neutrality forced Britain to enter war. Thus started the First World War.